my lovies, I'm coming to you this evening with a review. This review is from a company called, I want to say it's called Purzest. I think that's what it's pronounced. Purzest. So they chose me to review this ceramic planter for you lovies. Wanted to come on here and show it to you. It came in this box here and came styrofoamed and wrapped. I did pull it out to look at it because it is very, very pretty. They have different types of stands and stuff like that that you can use like for plants or store, like household decorate, interior design, like very, very nice stuff. So yeah, but it came in styrofoam and plastic, but the ceramic part looks like this. Very nice and definitely very durable. And the stand part is made of iron. So yeah, and you just stick it down in there like that. This could be great for, you can put like a flower arrangement in this, like a small floral arrangement in this. You can also, if you wanted to, could put an actual live plant in this if you wanted to, and put it on your desk, your vanity. You can put it in your kitchen. If you use it for your office, I was also thinking that you could put like paper clips in here. You may be able to stick some pens in here or something like that. Once again, this is called the Purzest Modern Indoor Desktop Planter Vase Ceramic Planter, and the stand is metal. It retails for $19.99 on Amazon.com, and it does have a 5-star rating on Amazon.com, a 5 out of 5. And it's made of durable, high quality white ceramic and iron. So me personally, I'm thinking about probably sitting this either here on my vanity, because I always can have stuff I can store in here. You can use it if you wanted to store like your makeup sponges or just different types of things you can use this for. If you do hair like I do as well, you can use it for rubber bands. You can do bobby pins. You can do like hair ties. You could put hair ties in here, which is quick. You know, you could just reach in and grab. If you, like I said, if you use it in your kitchen, you can maybe put small salt and pepper packets that you put in here. You can sit it in the middle of your table, maybe put salt and pepper packets, ketchup packets. If you maybe like want to do a cute centerpiece, you can get like nice flower DIYs you can get from Dollar Tree and just put it right in here in the middle of this and have you a nice cute centerpiece. So yeah, once again, this is the Modern Desktop Planner from Purzest. Thank you so much, Purzest and Thomason. Hopefully I got the name of the company correct. I hope so. But thank you so much, Purzest and Thomason, for choosing me to review this beautiful, beautiful planner. And like I said, they have other different types of planners. I've also seen some that they had on their site that you can hang from your wall that looks exactly like this. So yeah, I will leave all information down below in the description bar. I will also leave more of their top sellers down below in the description bar, so you lovies can go and check them out and check out some of these gorgeous, gorgeous pieces, especially around the it's getting warm, like springtime warm, and like this is, I just like the way it looks. It's so just classy, simple, and reasonable. So yeah, thank you lovies for tuning in. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Remember, if you're not subscribed, do hit the subscribe button because I do have another giveaway coming up. And I'm trying to get to 2,000 lovies. So yeah, thank you so much for supporting, and I will catch you on the next one.